Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Looking for a way to change your Roblox username without spending Robux? In this video, I'll show you how to change your username for free. Let's go. To change your Roblox username for free, it can only be done with the help of Roblox support. However, this might involve providing proof or verification to them. Go to the Roblox support page in your browser and provide essential details, including your email address, where you'll receive their response. Select your device and choose a help category for your request. You can pick either user safety concern, related to inappropriate experience or user behavior, or age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges, and then select Adjust Child Privacy and Security Settings under this category. When describing your issue, approach it as if you're a concerned parent worried about your child. Alternatively, you can try another category such as Billing and Payments and select I have a question about my credit balance currency. In this case, explain that your sibling accidentally changed your username. Either way, you can choose any help category that you believe would be most convincing to Roblox support for a free username change. After filling out the form, click Submit. Expect an email response from Roblox support by the end of the day. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.